Welcome to InfinitForm, your Gen AI design software that accelerates innovation, enhances performance, and manufacturability at unparalleled speeds. If this is your first time on the platform, let us guide you through the user interface, designed specifically for engineers like you. Whether you're designing for CNC machining, die casting, or other advanced manufacturing processes, InfinitForm will drastically reduce your design time and improve your productivity. To get started, head over to InfinitForm.com and select Sign In. Here, you'll arrive at your InfinitForm Cabinet. This is your central hub for managing projects, accessing shared designs, and tracking your recent activity. On the left-hand side is the navigation bar. Projects show all the designs you've created. Folders help you organize your projects for quick access. Shared resources displays projects you've shared internally or externally with suppliers. And Shared with Me lists designs shared by other users directly with you. The main area updates based on your navigation selection. At the top, you'll see your most recently opened projects. Use the search bar to locate specific projects or filter them by folder or manufacturing method. Now, let's create your first project. Select New Project in the upper right corner. From here, you can either drag and drop your step model or browse to upload it. Once uploaded, select Proceed and InfinitForm will process your file and create a new project. To open your project, click on the three-dot icon to the far right of your model name and select Open. Let's start optimizing your design using the InfinitForm Wizard. From the project interface, select Wizard Setup to begin. And in just a few steps, you can select your material, choose your preferred manufacturing method, and define your mass target. Once configured, let InfinitForm do the heavy lifting. Our GPU-accelerated optimization processes your model in minutes, not hours, delivering a prismatic design outcome tailored to your chosen manufacturing process. With InfinitForm, you can go from concept to optimized design in record time. Ready to see what's possible? Start exploring your projects today and let InfinitForm transform your engineering workflow.